This is the installation video for the Levelok permanent mount ladder leveling system on a Type 1 IAA 375-pound duty-rated Little Giant Lunar ladder. First, you'll want to unbolt the stock ladder shoe and remove the shoe. Then measure 1 5/8 inches from the bottom end of the rail, make a mark across, and cut that section of the rail completely off. Next, draw a line between the rivets just below the first rung and add an offset of 1/8 of an inch. This is the location of the first hole. Please note that this mark is very important. It represents the lowest mounting bolt hole and is the official reference point for the remaining 2 holes that will be drilled into the ladder rails for proper mounting. Then you'll mark your center line at 1 11/16. Make 2 marks. Draw a center line. Use the provided template to mark all 3 holes. The bottom hole on the template lines up with your original 1/8 of an inch offset mark. Then mark the other holes. You'll drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole at each of these marks. And then you'll enlarge that original hole with an 11/32 bit. Make sure to leave a clean, smooth surface so that the bolt slides smoothly through. Glue spacer plates to the Levelok permanent mount ladder leveling system. The spacer closest to the shoe is mounted parallel to the rail. Use the provided metal adhesive to securely fasten these spacer plates by using a few drops of the supplied metal adhesive on one side of the spacer plate. You'll want to make sure that those set. Attach the permanent mount ladder leveling system. Use 1 square washer and 1 round fender washer at each bolt. The bottom bolt mounts directly to the rung to plate connection without any additional washers. Securely fasten all nuts to the rail. After the Levelok permanent ladder leveling system is installed with all washers and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position. Extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock so that if there is any pressure on the leveler shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second ladder leveler on the opposite rail by following the same directions. After you've finished installing both ladder levelers, the Levelok permanent mount ladder leveling system is ready to be used.